How to activate CommBank credit card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you guys on how to activate your CommBank card online. So follow the simple steps. First of all, you have to launch any web browser and enter commbank.com.au in the search bar in your computer or your mobile device, and then hit enter. And once the website loads, click on the log on button that is highlighted in yellow color in the top right corner of the screen. And as soon as you do this, you will be provided with three different options. That is NetBank logon, CommBiz logon, and CommSec logon. You're supposed to click on NetBank logon. And after you do this, you will be directed to another login page where it indicates a logon to NetBank. And if you're new to NetBank, you can register from option over here that says register for the NetBank now. So let's head towards the log on to NetBank. Here in this page, you have to enter the correct form of your client number in this area. And as soon as you do that, you have to enter the correct form of your password as well. And if you'd like this device to remember your credentials, you can simply check on this box of remember client number. But if you're using a public computer, make sure that you do not check this option over here for the security reasons. And after you enter the correct form of your client number and the password, click on this login option to successfully log in. And in the case if you have forgotten your login details, you can click on this option of I've forgotten my login details to retry or reset your password. So this was all about it. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.